Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. I hope you have a hot cup of coffee in your hand. Bria, my dog, and I are going to show you the Webull app, how to invest, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to screen share. And to be honest with you, Webull is a lot going on in the app, and we're going to break it down for you so you know exactly what you're doing and how to invest. Now, first and foremost, before we do get started, this is not financial advice. I will be purchasing stocks with this tutorial and showing you how. But again, this is not financial advice. This is just my journey as an investor. And also, now as we dive into the video, top link in the description box below will be the link for Webull where you can get started in your investment journey. Now, currently they have a promotion going on right now. It always does change, but when you register for a new account and deposit, you can claim 6 through 12 free stocks using my link below. That's an absolutely fantastic deal. I'm going to show you a few that I got for free that are actually worth some great money. Again, top link in the description box below. Grab your 6 to 12 free stocks and get started today. Let's dive in. Okay, so as we fire open the app, it shows my positions right here. Now, these are actual stocks that I received for free when I signed up. So you have a couple different things right here, and I'm going to try to break this down as easy as we can here. You, of course, have your little deposit area right here where you can deposit more. Now, as you can see, I've already set up my checking account, and that typically takes 3 to 4 business days, 0 fee, or you can wire, goes a little quicker, and there's some fees involved with the wiring. Now, we'll show you how to actually start with your checking account because that's what most of you guys are going to be doing. I already have that set up, but just showing you that. That's right underneath my positions. That's just kind of like a home screen here. Now, this middle button at the very bottom where it kind of has the Webull logo, that I'm going to go ahead and press that, put in my password. Okay, so after I enter my trading password, this is what those free stocks that they gave me are worth right now, $93.53. That's pretty cool. And you can see right here, kind of in the top middle of your screen, open P&L. So right now, I'm plus 64%, plus $35.29. And there's my day's P&L, that's profit and loss, right below the net account amount, which is $93.53. At the bottom, we have my positions right here. You can see open profit and loss right there. You can see how A&R, free one they gave me, the 1 share of that, and they gave me 5 shares of AM. But look at the 1 share of AR. That has gone up 139%. Not too shabby to be for just holding strong. In the very middle of the screen, it says cash management right there. They actually started cash management, which if you deposit in, of course, with your checking account, now they're giving you 5% APY on any money you deposit right here. So I literally could just hit deposit. I could deposit with my checking account right now, and I could start earning 5% on that money. That could be your emergency fund. That could be your 3 to 6 months of savings, just cash sitting around that you'd rather have work for you. 5% is not bad. Now going over to your second little tab at the top, profit and loss, that's all time. So you can look over your account. You have your open orders, today's filled, cancel orders next to that. And then you have transfers. Right here it says I have available $3.41 to withdraw. You can transfer assets into Webull. I won't get into that, but I'll let you guys do that. Transfer assets out of Webull, reoccurring deposits and deposit right there. Bank account, as you can see, at the bottom of your screen right there. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now this is where down here at the bottom, change account, delete account, ACH. So again, super simple. That's where you go in your settings, set up your bank account so you can deposit, and that makes it a lot easier, obviously, to get started. Heading over to history. Now, Webull actually started what's called Webull Pay, and that's where they moved all the crypto. I think you still can trade crypto, but you have to get approval, but they moved all their crypto over to Webull Pay. So as you can see here, I had Stellar. I had $10 worth of Stellar, Webull Pay, if you are looking for crypto. Documents, these are your monthly statements, etc. Now hitting the individual tab on the top left there, you'll see new accounts, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and they're giving you really big promotions for that as well, if that's something that interests you as well. So you can do that with Webull. Now down here at the bottom of the documents, you have your, because I invested early, I have my Webull crypto, Webull securities, and tax documents right here. Now, going to the bottom left of the menu here, the watch list. Again, this is where it kind of is my main home page here. You can add to this as well. So right here, top right, let's go ahead and click on that. And you can type in anything. Now, I already have it right there, but I'm going to go ahead and show you right here. I'm interested in buying some Tesla stocks. So let's make sure we get the right one. Tesla on the NASDAQ, US-based company. And it's trading at $239.81, 83 cents. Currently filming this. The Cybertruck launch event will be happening in about an hour or so. And obviously there's a slight sell-off today, don't know why, but this is where it gets juicy. So this is where we start to purchase stocks right here. Now you have the option of doing options if you want, single option, both. You can do your puts. You can do all your different strategies right here. You can do both calls and puts. But I'm not really, to be honest with you, I'm not really an options guy. So let's go ahead and hit trade. Now you can also see this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So I want to break this down for you here. So bottom left, we're going to hit trade, and you can buy Tesla with fractional shares. So fractional shares means that you don't have to buy a full share at $239, $240. You can buy as little as $5. Something to keep in mind as well is I'm going to share a screenshot right now of after market hours. You can't have anything filled just like the regular stock market. Obviously, this is the stock market, but that's why I like the crypto markets a little bit better. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Crypto markets, see, she likes the crypto markets better. So the screenshot says I tried to, and it won't even let you like the next day. It just won't even push the order through. So do keep that in mind. You have to do it in market hour. Now, before you can purchase stock, you have to have money already in there or it won't let you do it. So I need to tap on choose deposit method. I'm going to go with ACH, deposit from my checking account, and I need to deposit right here. Now, I actually want to buy 2 full shares of Tesla stock. So just in case it does go up, I'm going to go ahead and just deposit $600, not 6,000, 600. And we're going to go ahead and deposit that. Now, as you can see, the fine print, if there's inadequate funds, you'll be charged a $5 fee if it doesn't go through. So definitely check to make sure that you have money in your checking account. And I'm going to go ahead and push confirm for, again, $600. Alrighty, guys, fantastic news. Literally 5 minutes, and it looks like they've given me my buying power of my deposit. Maybe because I've established a relationship over the last couple of years with them, but it went really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and hit trade down here at the bottom left. And as we can see right here, it's going to $240.92 fluctuating, as we can see top left right there. And then you have your bar graphs right there, upwards in the top. You can go by 1 day, the graph 5 day, etc., as we can see right there. And you got your little graph, or you can come over to your different time frames, 1 hour, etc. So this is every single one of those bars represents 1 hour, the candlesticks. Okay, now coming down to the kind of the middle area here, it says bid and it says ask. So the bid is what people want to pay for it, and the ask is what people are willing to sell it for right there. So it's a difference of like 4 cents, 5 cents ballpark right there. Now, right here under that, it says buy and sell. So if you had Tesla stocks, you can sell it right here. If you don't have them, like I don't have them, you can buy them right here as well. There's also the order type, which is limit. Click on that. You can do limit, market, stop, stop limit, trailing stop, and group orders as well. Now let's go ahead and click over to market. Market is whatever it's going for at that time of purchase, you're going to purchase it for or sell it for. So if there's huge volatility, be careful with that because it's going to trigger that for whatever that price is if there's huge volatility. That's why if you want a certain price, go with the limit order. But for this purpose, I'm just going to show you order type market, and then see how it says amount in shares. We're going to go ahead and click that over to USD. That's going to put us at fractional share. Now at the bottom, you can see my buying power has gone up $600 because of my deposit. So for this purpose, we're just going to do $5 fractional shares. That's the least you can do of Tesla, just to show you this in this video. So right there below, it says estimated shares 0.02077, which is, barely anything. But to get your feet wet, why not? Time in force, you click on that and that will be executed. Time in force, day, the order will be canceled after the market closes on the day. So if it doesn't go through, it will be canceled at market close. So it needs to go through before the market does close. So again, this is market order right now, top left of your screen. It's going for 240.95-ish. Let's go ahead and hit buy. It says $5 market price during the hours, confirm for Tesla. Order submission successful. Awesome. And then I have a notification at the top of my screen that says $5 went through. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And now we're going to go ahead and go back. And right here in my positions, we have Tesla right here. And now let's go back to my assets right here. You just hit the middle Webull logo in the bottom middle of your screen and you can go back to your net account value. Now, obviously it's jumped up because my deposit of cash as well. So you're seeing my deposit amount, cash balance right there in the top of your screen. Cash balance is $598.41. Unsettled cash is $1.59. Buying power $598.41. And I scroll down, as you can see here, I have $5 worth of fractional shares of Tesla, and I've earned 1 penny so far in the last minute and 30 seconds. I'm a rich man, I'll tell you what. Absolutely fantastic. So that's how you buy fractional shares, deposit first, and then purchase. Now, let's show you how to do a limit order on a full share. So the easiest thing to do is you can go from My Positions, tap on Tesla, or go back to watch list, tap on Tesla, or search for any other stock with the magnifying glass top right of your screen. And bottom left, we're going to go ahead and hit trade one more time. This time we're going to keep it on limit, and it already has limit price already filled in right there for $241.58. So it looks like the price has fluctuated a little bit. Probably the Cybertruck event launch has started, that's why. So I better buy this before it does start. And quantity, again, in shares or USD. But again, if you are going to be purchasing fractional shares, they want you to do market. If you try to switch over to limit order on fractional shares, it will not do it. Only limits on full shares. So do keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and go back over to limit. And quantity, I want 1 whole share of Tesla. Trading hours right below that, regular trading hours or include extended hours if you want to do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and keep it on regular hours because it's that time of day. And time in force. This you actually have day, so before the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time for regular trading days, or good till canceled, which means if you want to set it and forget it, but the fine print says it will be canceled up to 60 natural days after the order is placed. So if you want to do that within 60 natural days, might think there's a dip that's going to happen, you want to pick it up for $200, then do good till cancel. But I'm going to go ahead and hit day, just because I want this to push through ASAP. As we can see, top left of your screen, it's going for $241.34. My limit price is $241.49. Now it's above the current price, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it there because it's going to trigger. I have 1 share, everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. Again, double checked. I already have enough money in my account to buy this. And let's go ahead and can hit confirm here. Order submission successful. Absolutely. And I got my notification. Top of my screen says I bought 1 full share. As the price is now slipping 30 cents. It's going back up a little bit. Okay, hitting the Webull logo. I go back and right here now in the bottom of your screen, you see Tesla at $245.91, $245.93. And I have 1.02076 shares of Tesla right now in my positions. Going back up, as you can see right there, I still have a cash balance buying power of $357.65. So that is how you purchase fractional shares and whole shares on the Webull app. Now, lastly, bottom of your screen, you hit the Markets tab. And there's a lot of stuff on Webull. Again, right there in the middle of your screen, the IRA, below that, build your wealth, flexible, smart advisor, retirement, trending, news right there. But then at the top, you see stocks, EFTs, options, crypto, learn IPO cash management, which is the 5%, Robo. So if you want the robot to invest for you, you fire up Robo and you start investing. There's the fine print there. You can look that over after you start your own account. You can also paper trade as well. So if you want to kind of see how you do, I really enjoyed the stock market game when I was in high school in my economics class. We chose stocks and my team won. This was Apple before the iPod back, I think in 98 or 99. And my team won and we paper traded and it was super, super fun. Now hitting crypto. So again, they have a whole separate app for crypto, but let's just go on Bitcoin right here. So let's go down. And right here, down at the very bottom, your account is not approved for cryptocurrency trading. Please contact customer service via the in-app help center for more information. But I have their Webull Pay app where I can do this for cryptocurrency. So just keep that in mind as well. But you can add to your watch list, etc. here. Now, EFTs, I'll let you guys explore that as well. And then bottom, again, of your screen, there's the Webull logo to go to your positions. Feeds will have like newsletters, app guide, following, top stories. You can find a Webuller, copy their trades, do what they want to do. And then bottom right of the menu, you can have your posts, following, followers, groups. Again, I don't have any of that. Down below, you have your messages. And then right there in the middle are your shortcuts to My Rewards, Robo, Cash Management. We've already seen that. Alerts, settings, etc. And settings is where you would go to settings for two-factor authenticity, passwords. And in settings, again, you can do all your stuff with account and security and manage brokerage account, etc. I do want to show you the shortcut for My Rewards. Now, if you start investing with Webull and you recommend it to your friends, family. So this is where you get your My Rewards. So as you can see right here, this is my promotion, my referral bonus, and I was able to pick up these shares. I think I actually sold a couple of these, the GNW and the ADT. It always fluctuates. Again, top link in the description box below to get started and get your free shares. So right there, and pleated, top right of your screen, and then in transit, which I don't have any, and then to be claimed, I don't have any as well. So if you have any to be claimed, click on that. And that's where you look to if you get your friends and family starting to invest with Webull. Well, guys, hopefully this video has helped you figure out how to invest and start investing. The app is a lot going on again, and hopefully this video has broke it down a little bit more simply for you. Get started investing, but please do your own diligence. And lastly, I'm going to state, please don't go into debt to start investing. Invest with extra income, pay off your debts first. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my investment journey. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to have more videos going into more in-depth. Again, I don't really like options. I'm going to leave that up to you, but just be careful in these volatile markets. Again, if you want to get your shares and get started on Webull, top link in the description box below. You get hooked up and that helps out the channel so I can continue to make more videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see in the app, options trading or something like that, as well as different platforms that you want to see me break down. Thank you guys. Subscribe, top link below. Bria and I, wherever she is, we'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.